Welcome to Operation
Yum!
Today, we're going to make
fantastic French toast. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients.
This is a great recipe to make with kids because they can do most of the work. We're also going to make it a little more nutritious today by adding fruit.
Before you do anything, you should wash your hands.
The first thing we're going to do is cut the strawberries. So check this out, dude, real quick, easy. I want to eat the green parts. Right through there. No. Real careful. Cutting strawberries, not fingers, okay?
Okay.
There you go, you can put the strawberries in that. Very good job.
Thanks.
The mixture for the French toast is very simple. It's just eggs, milk, and a little bit of vanilla. Now we're going to start dipping and frying the bread. Today we're using whole wheat. After it's cooked for 3 or 4 minutes, the next thing we want to do is flip it over. All right, bud, I think they're done.
Okay.
Nice. Let's throw some strawberries on. That's one way. This time, we're going to use a spoon. It looks good, but how's it taste?
Yum!
Operation complete.